Alright, so this is Hillcrest Villas. This is building 31. And we've located the clean out where everything comes out of the building. It's between 3103 and 3104, so we've dug this up as well. So in the middle of the building is a double Y, and I just wanted to get the last video you saw where the jetter had already done its job. So this is just an idea of what the pipes look like, you know, before we start the jetting process. And I'll be able to show you right where the clean out is that we dug up as well. So here's the clean out that's just down in the ground. We're going to leave it dug up. So that's 3104 is there, and 3103 is right there. And again, this was under grade. You can't find it without a camera. I'll go ahead and camera from here out to the main, since I'm already sitting right here. This is 31 from the clean out where everything exits the house. And it looks like we're already in the clay. Yep, we're already in the clay. So we're already in the main line, so it must jump pretty quick, because I didn't even see it. Yeah, so it immediately dumps right into the main line from the clean out that we've got located here, which is a good thing. So we're going to start cleaning. Alright, so this is the building 28. Has two lines. One comes out on the left side, one comes out on the right side. That's the end of the line. So the lines tie together in the middle of the building. So we're currently cleaning the left side of building 28. Already run the jetter through here a few times. There are some sags in the line, some bellies in the line. So what we're going to do is we'll show those after we show that we've gotten the jetter all the way through here. So again, this is the end of the line clean out on the left side of building 28 to the clean out that exits the building in the middle of the building. That water flowing, that's where the units are tied in, so people are running the water in their unit that's going into the main line. See that little bit of buildup we just went past, that's probably where the sag is going to be, but we'll fill the line back up with water so we can video it. Alright, so we're getting close to, there's another tie-in. this is the fitting where everything joins together right here. So right here, the unit straight ahead of the clean out and the units on the left side and the right side, they all tie together at this fitting right here. So what we're going to do now is run some water on the left side of the building to fill the bellies up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and record back. You can see how we have nice water flow here now that we've got everything jetted. I don't get concerned until the camera goes completely underwater. So this kind of flow looks good. This is where we have one belly. This would be between, what unit is the clean out in front of? So see how the entire pipe is filled with water? We've got everything out of here cleaned out. 2803?
3103.
3103. So that where we saw the tie-in was 3103, and we're coming towards 3101. So we have 3, 2, and 1.
Yeah.
So we should see 3102's tie-in. So we came out of the belly there. Now it looks like we're going into another belly or a sag. All the debris has been cleaned out. Everything's been jetted out of it. So that would be 3102, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So that's 3102. So between 3102 and 3103 is where you've got some sags. And now we're coming towards the end, which would be 3101. There's 3101. This is coming towards the end of the building. We'll see. We may have another tie-in right at the end, but we're going to check. I don't see any more. Nope, okay. So that's the end of the run. This is the left side of the building. So between 3102 and 3103 is where we've got a big sag in the line. Alright, this is the right side of building 31. When we first cambered it, we found a lot of grease in here. So we're going to go through here and do the same thing. We're going to clean everything out, and we'll run the water and make sure we don't have any bellies. Alright, so that was the right side of building 31. We're going to run the water, see if we have any bellies in here. All of the big, large debris, all the grease is now gone. Alright, so we got good flow. We're in the right side of 31. So we got a belly on this side as well. You see how the pipe's full of water. So you can see we're coming out of the sag now. Everything's clean, everything's been cleaned out of the pipe. See if we have any more sags on this side. There's a unit tie in there. A little bit of water is not too concerning. It's when the whole camera goes underwater. There's another tie in. This side looks a lot better than the left side. Alright, so everything's been blasted out of this one, cleaned out all the way to the main, and that was building 31.